Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to start using YouTube on your phone. So the first thing that you should do is to install the YouTube app, and to install it, you should to go to the App Store, and after that, go and search on for YouTube. And as you can see, this is the app. You can install it on your phone like any other app. Of course, it's installed on my phone. After that, you go to the app, you open it, and as you can see, there is a lot of things in the app. You can just open the videos.
Let me ask you something.
And watch them in a normal way. You can also search for videos. For example, I will search for Jim Rohn videos or any type of videos. And here you will find a lot of things. You will find videos, you will find playlists, you will find YouTube shorts, you will find a lot of things. You can search by multiple filters. You can search for the recently updated videos, for the live videos, for the short clips, for the audiobooks, and for anything that you want. You can also in the app subscribe to channels. For example, if I like this channel, I can subscribe to it, and by subscribing to any channel, you will see the content from that channel in the future. And also you can unsubscribe from any channel by just clicking on subscribe, and after that unsubscribe from it. You can choose any video and also add it to your favorite list, by clicking on save. It will be saved to whatever playlist that you want, or you can create a new playlist. You can also like the video, and by liking the video, YouTube will start recommending more videos like this one for you and showing you more from that video. And also you can dislike the video by clicking dislike if you don't like it. You can also use that Gemini icon to summarize the video if you don't like to watch it all, or if the video is a little bit long. As you can see, Google Gemini summarized the video for me. And you can download the video also if you have YouTube Premium. And there is a lot of options that you can use in this app, a lot of good options. You can also watch YouTube shorts. It's something like TikTok by clicking on shorts.
How does the iPhone?
And it will show you the YouTube shorts videos. You can look for the trending shorts on YouTube shorts. And those are mainly the important options that you can use on YouTube. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.